Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your gift card on Shein. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how to redeem your gift card on Shein. Firstly, open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in shein.com and make a search. The official page of Shein will appear on the screen. Choose any product you want to buy and tap on it. Select the color and size of the product and click on Add to Cart option at the bottom of the page. Tap on the cart icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on Checkout option. On the next page, enter your location, first and last name, your phone number, city, state, zip code, all of the other credentials, and tap on Save. Select your payment method and tap on Gift Card options. Enter your card number, PIN code, and click on Apply. The purchase amount will be deducted from the gift card balance once you click on Apply. This is how you can redeem your gift card on Shein quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.